Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got here what Chausson is claiming is a bestseller. 640 titanium line motorhome, and this thing here is going to cost 75,000 euros. A starting price 68.5. I don't really believe in starting prices myself. What's good about this? The number one thing is the amount of space that this can offer. This huge lounge here, and if I come to the back, this is I think really quite outstanding. Would suit, I think, somebody traveling full time, because we've got this large shower unit with two drainage points in it. There's the ladder for the bed. At the rear we've got this large wardrobe. Look at that, you get stacks of clothes in there. I mean, many people don't have this much space at home, and these drawers here will come out as well. Cleverer, lots of space in here, really very nicely done. These things move to one side. I think this is very clever, so I really like that. Let's close this if I can. There's me in the mirror. Don't want to leave things open. Down here we've got access to the garage, as you can see there. And I'll come down to the garage and have a look on my way out. And here we've got the toilet. And then close this door here as well if I wanted to. There's a sliding door there. So I think that's great. Kitchen, fair bit of space here in the kitchen. Two burners here. This is a sink. This is a storage in the kitchen block, and really good. Over here we've got fridge. Now, what do you do if you want to sleep? Well, you can actually make a bed up below, but the bed is up here, and we've got, here it is. You've got the, take this down if I can. Is anything in the way? Can you see anything in the way? I'll take as far as the chair. Right. So if you could take it down a little bit even further by removing the chairs, although the table's there, you possibly wouldn't want to take it down any further than that. Now this one says here 230 max. That incidentally is using it, not going up and down. You can't sit on the bed whilst you're putting the thing up and down. Under the mat, under this, we'll find nets, nuts to stop you falling out of bed. They attach to these eyelets. Eyelets? They attach to these things up here. So, right now, if you get my point about this being suitable for full-timers, okay, and on the negative side is, of course, it means that both parties have to go to bed at the same time. You could, of course, leave the bed a bit further up. Let's see how far. Let's see if we can do something realistic. Oops, went the wrong way. With this, for use. See, we can't. In some beds, we can actually put it part the way up, such as here, as you see, which would allow somebody to stay below. If you set up the bed below, yes, you can do something like that, but you can't put it at a low position, right? So you put your high position, like more or less now, and you can't put it close together. I don't know if that's meant for security reasons or if it's for the bed. Let's see, right, so we'll take it up a bit further. Is that all right? Can you sleep under there? And now the question is, can you sit under here? Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. I met somebody yesterday who saw me in the videos and he thought I was much smaller, so he thought I could get into lots of after seeing how tall I am, you can get into lots of places he thought previously weren't available. I think that's okay. If you're happy with the sleeping space up there, actually it's not much different from any overcab vehicles. I'll put it up. I'll put it right the way up. The table, incidentally, will also come up and down, so it's quite clever. It's by the Italian company Mappa. So it'll go down. Having said that, I do feel that, I mean, electric table is a bit of an exaggeration. And good. Let's come outside. We'll have a look at what else we've got here. And so we've got the storage goes there. Says it's a bestseller, and we're looking at a size of 7 meters. Good. So I think that would suit a full timer. If you agree with the arguments, I'm going to put it down below, but you might not agree with them, so you can write that as well. For the moment, thanks for watching.